We got a special video for you guys today. It's very special. It's very, very special. You guys are not going to believe this. We got our hands on these. But it's Angel Barber, and we're back with another video, YouTube. Today, we're going to be unboxing the Babyliss Pro and 245 clipper and trimmer. Yes, you heard it right. We got our hands on these babies. And honestly, I can't wait. So we're gonna get to it. Um, I just want to show you guys the packaging first. Like it's like it's almost like Apple. They 245 and Babyliss did their thing on this one for sure. It's almost like just look at that. So innovating, like it's like Apple. You know how you open the phone and you just slide it up? It's like this. You just slide it open. Look, you don't have to clip nothing. All those, none of that. Same with this. Look, you just pull it, and look at that. But we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna show you guys a different angle so you guys can actually see the clipper. And yeah, we also have these. They come with these, the wireless padding, the charging, and yeah, let's get to it. So we're gonna unbox this. Oh, look at this bad boy. Just look at this. Oh my God. I need more light. I don't know why you can't see it that well. It's like grainy. But this is the clipper. In my hand, it feels good. They definitely feel powerful. They're not that loud. It's, I really like the taper lever. It's like very, like it fits in your hand. Like you'll see up close, but there's that. It tells you the battery percentage, and everything is just, it feels great, sounds amazing. The only thing we're gonna have to test now is how they cut. So stay tuned for that. And here, I'm gonna show you the clipper version now. I mean the trimmer. So let's put that away. And then I'm just showing you guys this perspective, and then obviously I'm gonna show you guys the like up front where the camera is facing the actual clipper. You're not seeing me. And then here's a trimmer. The question everyone has been waiting for: is it comfortable? Are you gonna get used to these? And honestly, having the, having them on my hand, it's not really much of a difference. If anything, it feels more like it's meant to be. When you're setting your guidelines, what do? So usually the blade would be, it usually would set like this, right? That's how they come, and then you press the button. But it's the opposite. Look, this is the grip, and then you would have to press it here. But this is the grip, and then this is the actual how it is. But think about it. You're gonna set your guideline, and let's say it's like this. What do? You flip it, and then you set your guideline. You're gonna line up something. Oh, okay, you turn it on, and then you flip it, and then you line it up. So it's like, it was like it had to be done already. It was meant to be. The same thing. Let's say you're gonna line up the beard, line up the whatever. What do? You flip it, and then you, like, look how perfect it just, like, see. Oh, I'm gonna line up the beard on this cheek. Okay. Oh, okay, I'm gonna line up the under his beard. Boom, boom, boom. It's they did their thing on this for sure. I forgot what kind of blade it is. I had to look into it. But this also has a green blade like that. That just, yet so simple, yet so powerful. And for me, how I go by, simple is always the best. You know, if you go all out, you have to go all out. And if you don't go all out, then you just lose it. But simple is always the best. Simple will always win. Simple will beat someone who's trying to go all out and then they didn't go all out. But yet, because you were simple and clean and about it, boom, you won. So that's how I always see. Simple always wins for me. That's how I believe. If you don't have to go all out, just be simple, and clean and boom, like Apple. Apple literally does that. People always say, "Oh, it's the same phone." Yet, so simple, so basic. Yet people are always buying their new phone every year. Not everybody, but there's a lot of people that just upgrade every year. All right, people. So here we have them. Just look at that. Just look at that. See, you got the ergonomics here. This is where you would put the pad to charge. Just look at this. So in person, like it makes sense. That's what I was telling you about. Let's say you're gonna line up. Let's say you're gonna line up the beard. You flip it. And look, it just lines up perfectly with your hands and finger placement. Like it just makes it way more comfortable. They're not too loud. There's the battery percentage is 78%, and it just feels so futuristic, simple, and powerful for sure. I just can't wait to. Are you able to take this? Oh, and you're able to take them out too with this little thing. It's back on. All right. Let's try these. Take this out. Just look at that. And this is what I was talking about, the lever. Like it just fits so perfect in your, like you're gonna press down, and it's like it fits your finger. Like the finger placement is insane on this, and it's comfortable. Like look, see how it has this curve? Just it fits your. What do you do? Boom, 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 boom. Like it's perfect. And the cut, look, it's so perfect. They also have a USB-C and a Babyliss charger. So if you don't have a USB-C, you'll use the Babyliss. Or if you don't have the Babyliss, you can make it simple and just use the USB-C. And it also come with the charging pad where you could just leave there. That as well would be a good, another option. But yeah, overall, I actually can't wait to try these out on here and on my clients, see what they have to say about them. There's a green screwdriver or screw, whatever. And then there's also the green cutting blade. I don't know if you can see it, but that makes this clipper pop for sure. It's just I'm loving them. I love how they look. I like how they feel. I love them. Just the only thing I have to see is, do I love how they cut? But we're gonna have to find out for that. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys are gonna be getting a pair yourself for yourself. And if you guys do get one, what do you guys think about the flipped or the reversed trimmer? I think it's great. I think it's smart. Regardless, we always use them like this, to be honest. So I think it's amazing. The only thing now is to really test how they cut and how my clients feel them, because that's all that matters, how they cut, how they feel, and how comfortable they are. Anyway, YouTube, that was the end of these unboxing videos of the Babyliss times 245 clipper and trimmer. If you guys like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and let me know what you guys think of this clipper. If you guys already got your hands on this clipper, let me know in the comments what you think of them, how they feel, what do you like about them, what don't you like about them. I'm curious, I'm curious to see what other barbers have to say about this clipper, what's what they like and what they don't like. I'm just curious, Personally, I like how they feel. I love how they really did the reverse. It's just smart. Like I think it was meant to be. But like I said, let me know in the comments what you guys think of him for sure, and an honest opinion, And that was the end of this video of the Babyliss Pro times 245. That was the thumbnail. But again, guys, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys for every view you guys give me. Yeah, please make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, all that stuff. You guys know what to do. And check out my Instagram again. I'll leave it in the link in the description or on here too, somewhere around here. And it's Angel Barber. I'll catch you guys on the next video. See you guys.